I can tell you when the fish just fly, but let's just say it's always leech season. So, what I mean by that is you could fish this from the time the ice goes out until it comes back in the fall, and you probably catch a lot of fish. So we're going to start with the Umpqua U103 nymph / streamer hook. It's also 1X wire 2XL. So we're going to put a tungsten bead on there. Before we do that. So again, we have the Umpqua 103 hook in size 6 and a countersunk tungsten bead in black. I'm going to put down some lead wire size .025. About 15 wraps. Tuck that up against the back of the bead. Let's secure a thread. This is a Phoebus 8/0 thread in black. Secure this these thread wraps here. Bring the thread back to just above the barb. Up next is pine squirrel zonker in black. Just need about a 5-inch piece. So for this streamer, we're going to do a tail 2 times the length of the shank. I'm not talking about the hide is not where I'm measuring the tip of the fibers. So there's about 1, there's 2, so I'm going to tie it in right here. You want to separate the fibers to get down to the hide. You can do 3 wraps. So pull that tight and then bring the thread forward. We're going to tie it in again. Right behind our lead wraps. Bring the thread all the way forward. I'm going to wrap the pine squirrel away from me, stroking the fibers back so they don't catch on themselves. And get them flowing in the direction we want. To wet your fingertips a little bit. That's okay. Get control of the fibers. About 3.5 reps. We'll finish that. Just 2, 3 rep whip finishes. Just a little bit of head cement on those reps, thread reps. And there you have it. Pine Squirrel Leech. This one will have a lot of movement. You can definitely fish this in the creeks, and if you can fish it in still water. If I was going to fish it in still water, I probably wouldn't do as much weight. But you can definitely tie this without any of the lead wraps or tungsten bead. Maybe we'll do that on a later episode. So, Pine Squirrel Leech.